Hey, good morning, everybody, on this Wednesday morning. I'm glad you're here this morning. I've been gathering some really good information while you sleep. First of all, this morning we're talking about the coldest temperatures actually in South Alabama. I noticed at Ozark you're at 29, and Dothan you're at 31, and Montgomery's at 35 this morning. But we have a couple of storm systems on the way. Part one tonight, but part two is starting to look more interesting, more robust. In fact, parts of the state could see a severe weather risk. The rainfall totals are more robust. I'll show you some possible snowfall accumulation totals way up north in Alabama as well. This video is worth your time. You may want to hit the share button with your friends. Hey, there's storm system number one, part one, just south of Little Rock, with showers lined up across northwest Mississippi on current radar. And maybe later on today, not out of the question, some snow and ice, portions of northeast Alabama, North Georgia, especially in the higher elevations with this part one system. Here's the showers across North Alabama, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, edging into central Alabama at that hour. And future radar at 6 o'clock tonight shows the showers stretched across central Alabama. Nothing heavy, nothing impressive on this first batch. A little bit more extensive on the coverage at midnight tonight, and probably still around tomorrow morning. So a 30% chance of a shower by this afternoon, 70% chance of showers tonight. Today's high 57, tonight's low 49. South wind 6 to 12 miles per hour. Now, part two, low pressure developing northern Louisiana tomorrow evening, heading on to the northeast around Tupelo, Mississippi by midnight tomorrow night. Maybe some stronger storms coming into Alabama at that hour tomorrow night, and the Storm Prediction Center now has a marginal risk of severe weather from about Selma on westward tomorrow night and into Friday morning, and a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. Portions of Mississippi and Louisiana. Friday morning. That is a powerful storm system north of Tuscaloosa. Snow and ice to the north of it. Thunderstorms to the south. Heading for the middle Atlantic coast, a big headline maker. All right, here's the Friday night map, folks. You see the blue on the map? Central and South Alabama? Okay, I'll give in. Maybe there could be a few snow flurries down this way, but the ground will be too warm. No accumulation. Don't go crazy on me, okay? It's no big deal. Rainfall totals, maybe 1.5 inches around the Montgomery area, 2.5 inches perhaps around Auburn, and maybe a heavier amount up in the Tennessee Valley. Snow accumulations. Look at this map. West of Washington, D.C. could be 2 to 3 feet of snow, maybe more. Look at this. This is the European printing maybe some 2-inch totals around Muscle Shoals, Alabama, 1-inch totals around the Decatur area. The GFS is a little heavier with maybe some 2 to 3-inch snowfall amounts way up north. No accumulation here, of course. We're looking at the next few days, and we're seeing the best chance of showers and storms tomorrow night, a 100% chance, high of 63, 50% chance of showers daytime Friday, maybe a flurry towards evening. 52 is your high, but it's going to be windy and cold. And then Saturday is just a raw day with highs only around 44. We're going into the 20s again on Sunday morning, then a big rise early next week on the European, maybe another storm system middle of next week. This is the GFS indicating that high in the low 60s on Thursday, and then the big weekend cold shot, and then a big warm up early next week, and then big warming late next month. All right, here we go. Late in this month. Now, this was early this morning, 5 planets lining up in the sky, including Mercury. And if you missed it this morning, the next couple of weeks, you'll see most of those except for maybe Mercury down in the south, east, and southwest sky. A nice little lineup of the planets. All right, that's it. You're up to date this morning, and we'll continue to watch what looks to be one of the more interesting storm systems of the whole winter. I'll have more information later today, and of course your next complete video will be online by tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. I hope you have a great hump day.
Rich Thomas weather.